Yo.
What I'm saying, man.
Bro! Yeah, don't record. Let's go.
Okay.
Keys.
Open the door and keep it, okay?
Hey guys, we just came back after taking few drone shots. They were actually good, more than we expected. Yeah, we're trying to make a vlog.
Yeah.
Bro!
Yeah, guys. To be honest, we weren't planning to come to Nuwara Eliya. And stay tuned for the next vlog, guys. It's gonna be amazing. Lit location coming soon, right? Guys, now we are off to some random location. Let's see how it goes. Peace.
Yeah.
Yo guys, we are gonna fly the drone here.
A few moments later.
We tried to fly the drone, but apparently they didn't let us fly the drone. So we are now back home.
Yeah. Yo.
Bro, your shit is not going, bro.
Dumb fuck, use a toothbrush.
What brush? What brush? Where's your shoe?
Right here. Okay.
No. You're mad.
30 minutes more for KSI versus Logan.
Oh yeah.